Today, it's all about the zucchini bite. Golden crunchy and perfect for snacking. Trust me, these are going to be your new obsession. Let's get into it. Grab one zucchini and let's get slicing. We're going for nice even rounds, nothing fancy. Just simple circles for our little bites. Time for the crunch factor. Throw in half a cup of panko into a separate bowl. It's going to give us that golden crust we're looking for. Next up, a quarter cup of Parmesan. This is where the flavor lives, people. Just dump it right in with those crumbs. In goes a teaspoon of garlic powder. It's the unsung hero of the spice rack. Gives us that savory punch without the hassle of peeling. Next, we're dropping in half a teaspoon of paprika for a little color and a hint of warmth. Now, give it all a good mix. We want every single breadcrumb to be best friends with that cheese and spices. Let's get these veggies dressed. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil right over those zucchini rounds. This is our glue that makes everything stick. Now, dump that beautiful breadcrumb mixture we just made right over the top. Don't be shy, give it a massive toss. Really get in there and coat every single piece. We want every round to look like it's wearing a crispy little sweater. Go. Lay them out in a single layer, no overlapping, or they won't get that crunch we're after. For those leftover breadcrumbs and sprinkle them right on top. Pop those in at 400 degrees for exactly 10 minutes. It's the magic number for that golden crispy finish we're looking for. At the 5-minute mark, get in there and flip every single one of those bites. This is also the perfect time to dump in the very last of those breadcrumbs right on top. Pop them back in, we want that 360-degree crunch. Look at that crunch, these are officially good to go. If you want more recipes like this, make sure to like and subscribe. I've also got an entire air fryer playlist waiting for you at the end of this video, so go check it out. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.